Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacation. So today we are going to learn divide. Okay, so we will learn how to divide and even we will check our answer also. Okay, so first of all you do one thing, you copy this all. Understood now? You copy this all in your note copy. Okay, you copy in your note copy this whole solution, you copy down and then you listen to the explanation. Okay, so I'm going to explain now. See here, we have to first I will explain some basic concept here. See, suppose let's take 6 2. Okay, so 2 3 are 6. Okay, so when you subtract then you will get 0. Okay, so this one is what, this 3 is what, this 3 is quotient. Okay, this 3 is quotient, q stand for quotient. Okay, and this 0 is what, remainder. This 0 is remainder, and this 6 is what, this 6 is dividend. Okay, dividend. And this all things I mentioned in the solution also. Okay, so don't be confused. And this one is what, this one is divisor. Okay, this one is divisor. Understood now? This one is divisor. Okay, and how you will check your answer, that one also I'm going to explain. See, to check your answer now, to check the answer we will do like this. We will do divisor. Okay, divisor plus quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this one is into. Okay, don't be confused, this one is into. So we will check like this: divisor into, q stand for quotient and r stand for remainder, equal to dividend. Okay, dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Understood now? Dividend. Okay, so in this way we will check. Okay, so you understood, I hope you understand. Now see, I'm going to divide this question. Suppose this 3 by this 3, we have to divide this 70, right? So see, first you just read the table of 3 so that we can get 7. Okay, this 7. Okay, so in 3 table 7 will not come. No, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 6 you will get here. Okay, 6. So 7 minus 6 will give us 1, and this 0 you copy here. Again you read the table of 3 so that we can get 10. So you will not get 10 in 3 tables, so it will be possible how many times? 3 times. 3 3 are 9. Okay, 3 3 are 9. When you will subtract, then you will get remainder 1. Okay, so I hope you know the division, and even I explained in the class. Okay, so as I said that in the question they asked to check the solution also. So now we will check. Okay, now we will check. See, we are going to check. Okay, so here you see the solution, whatever you have noted down in your note copy. No, you check, you compare from there. See here, quotient how much we get? Quotient we get 23. Okay, quotient we get 23, and quotient we get 23. This is quotient. Okay, and 70 is what? 70 is dividend. 70 is dividend, and 1 is what? 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder, and 3 is what? 3 is divisor. 3 is divisor. Okay, see, we will just follow it. Okay, and we will check. See, so the formula is what? Again we are going to check. So formula is what? Divisor divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, dividend. So see here, divisor is how much? Divisor is 3. Okay, and then into remainder is quotient is how much? 23, and remainder is how much? 1, and then equal to dividend, and dividend is 70. Okay, right? So see, 3 into 3 will give us 9, and 3 2 are 6. When you will multiply this value, no, then you will get 69, and plus 1 is there. Okay, plus 1. So 69 plus 1 will give us 70. Okay, 70. So see, in both side 70 70 we get. So it means what? Our solution is correct. So in this way you have to check. Okay, So I hope you understood. Okay, and see here I have given some homework also. Okay, so you follow the similar process and try to solve by yourself, and homework I will check when the school will reopen. Okay, so you just have a look once. See, I'm going to scroll it. See, and this also, whatever this all explanation, no, this one also, this all whatever is there, no, you just copy down this one also. Okay, see these all things, you can pause the video and then you can copy down. Okay, understood, no? Very good. So for today only this much. Okay, for today only this much, and see you in next video. Okay.